If you're looking for something fun to do with your friends or family this holiday season or year-round, you can check out the new AR Workshop. Chelsea and I had a chance to go do some holiday-type things. Take a look at our crafty experience.
We are in the midst of the holiday season, and when I think about Christmas on the Gulf Coast, I think about the big Christmas Jubilee event. Although it has already passed, our friends at AR Workshop had a successful weekend. We are here with Courtney Rasco, the owner and manager of AR Workshop in Mobile. You ladies had a blast.
It was a lot of fun.
Now, I want to talk about the weekend. What all did you have there? A lot of different crafts.
Yes, so we had a lot of our retail here. We're now a mud pie vendor, so we had our new Christmas items there. Some signs that we made up that you can actually come in the shop and make yourself, and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and we are at AR Workshop right now on location, and we're talking about crafts. If our friends at home aren't familiar with what they can do here, tell me a little bit about it.
So you can come in and make any of the wooden home decor items. We have frame signs, plank signs, we've got Lazy Susans, trays, anywhere from doormats, door hangers, all kinds of stuff.
And they can take it home, right?
They can, yes.
So a big plus, maybe a really fun event going on through this holiday season, maybe something you and your friends or family can do. You guys have a big event coming up tomorrow.
Yes, so we have Chunky Knit Blanket this Friday. We'll have a hot cocoa bar and do our Chunky Knit Blankets, and then Saturday our open house.
So make sure that you come to the open house tomorrow. It's going to be a ton of fun, but for right now it's time to get crafting. So Joe and I are going to make some Christmas decor.
All right, I am not a crafty man, but I feel like I'm in good hands, ladies. What are we going to work on today?
So Joe, you are going to be doing a Let It Snow door hanger, and
Cool.
Chelsea is going to be doing a candy cane advent calendar.
And you said the hardest part is picking out what you want to make, right?
Yes.
Ooh, I'm ready. You ready, Joe Emer?
Let's do this. Ladies, even for a non-crafty dude like me, this was a lot of fun and it turned out so great.
You did. Good job.
Thank you, thank you.
We had so much fun, and we do want to remind our friends at home about the open house coming up this weekend.
So it is Saturday 2 to 6. You can come and go as you please. We'll have a hot cocoa bar. You'll make a free DIY ornament, and we'll have prizes and giveaways.
And finally, where can they find more information so they can get crafting?
So you can go to our website. It's arworkshop.com/mobile. You'll see our calendar. The event's on Saturday, and you'll just click on it and sign up.
All right, come on out, y'all. Going to be so much fun. The new AR Workshop right here in Mobile.
We had so much fun. That was a lot of fun.
That's hanging on my door right now.
Mine's hanging in my room. Thanks, AR Workshop.
You guys can check it out. Make your reservations now. They are booking up quickly. They've been talking to us about all the people wanting to come out and join in the fun. So you can too. Just make sure to reserve your spot now.
Yeah, go ahead and give them a call and make sure you go see them tomorrow for their open house.
Yeah.